Hello friends, my name is Apeksha Subhas Sangre. Today's perform the CSS practical number 11. Develop a web page for placing the window on screen and working with child window. After this practical of SEO is used for JavaScript in cookies handling. Then placing for four methods: first window, second opening a window, third the arguments, and fourth the methods. They are included in the program. After executed the program's HTML body button on click is equal to open my window slash button on click is equal to move my window slash button on click is equal to resize bracket double inverted comma complete resize my window slash button script my window function open win bracket curly bracket open my window is equal to window open width 400 height 200 curly bracket complete function move in bracket curly bracket open window move 500 100 function resize win window resize 600 800 script body HTML. Then after this is output of this program: open my window, move my window, resize my window. Thank you.